Picture this, you're enjoying a quiet morning, the world outside is just waking up, and you have a moment of peace all to yourself. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills your kitchen, wrapping you in a warm, comforting embrace. Sunlight streams through the window, casting a golden glow that dances on the walls. You take a sip, savoring the rich, bold flavors. It's a moment of pure bliss. Then, everything changes. The Earth, our spinning blue planet, comes to a sudden halt. Imagine the sheer force of such an event. It's a jarring thought, isn't it? The very ground beneath us, stopping in its tracks. We take the Earth's rotation for granted, a constant in our lives that we rarely think about. It's the silent rhythm of our existence, dictating day and night, shaping our weather patterns, and influencing the very air we breathe. This rotation is the heartbeat of our planet. But what if this cosmic dance floor went silent, even for a mere 10 seconds? The implications are staggering. The consequences, as we're about to explore, would be nothing short of catastrophic. From natural disasters to global chaos, the world as we know it would be turned upside down. Buckle up, space cadets, because we're about to dive into a world where the unimaginable becomes reality. Hold on tight, this journey is going to be a wild ride. To understand the chaos that would ensue if Earth stopped spinning, we need to first appreciate the elegance and importance of Earth's rotation. This seemingly simple motion is a fundamental aspect of our planet's existence. Our planet's spin is a relic of its formation, a leftover from the swirling cloud of gas and dust that birthed our solar system billions of years ago. As this cloud collapsed under gravity, it began to spin, and this angular momentum was transferred to the forming planets, including Earth. Think of a figure skater pulling their arms in during a spin. As they draw their arms closer to their body, they spin faster and faster. This is due to the conservation of angular momentum. As their mass becomes more concentrated, their rotation speeds up. This principle applies to our planet as well. Similarly, the Earth inherited the angular momentum of the early solar system, and it's been spinning ever since. This spin has been a constant, unchanging force that shapes many aspects of our world. This spin isn't just some cosmic quirk, it's a vital characteristic that influences everything from the length of our days to the behavior of our atmosphere. It's fundamental to life as we know it. The rotation of Earth ensures that sunlight is distributed across the planet, creating the cycles of day and night that all living organisms depend on. Our planet's rotation creates day and night, regulates temperatures, and drives our weather patterns. Without this rotation, the balance of our climate would be thrown into disarray. It's a delicate balance, one that, if disrupted, would have devastating consequences. The cessation of Earth's spin would lead to catastrophic changes in weather, climate, and the very fabric of life on our planet. One of the most immediate effects of Earth's sudden stop would be atmospheric chaos. Our atmosphere is constantly in motion, driven by the planet's rotation. When Earth stops spinning, the atmosphere doesn't just magically stop with it. Imagine the Earth's surface as a moving walkway, and the atmosphere as the air inside the airport. If the walkway suddenly stops, you'll keep moving forward due to inertia, likely stumbling and bumping into things. That's essentially what would happen to the atmosphere. The air would continue to move at its original velocity, creating winds of unimaginable speeds, potentially exceeding 1,000 miles per hour. These hyperspeed winds would sweep across the Earth's surface, leveling buildings, uprooting trees, and scouring the land with incredible force. But the atmospheric chaos is just the tip of the iceberg. The oceans too would react violently to Earth's sudden stop. The water, no longer bound by the centrifugal force of the spinning Earth, would surge towards the poles. Imagine a global-scale tsunami, hundreds of feet high, crashing against coastlines with unimaginable force. Cities would be inundated, coastlines redrawn, and entire land masses reshaped. The sheer scale of destruction would be unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. Coastal regions, home to a significant portion of the world's population, would be completely reshaped, leaving behind a trail of devastation in their wake. Section 5, Humanity's Wild Ride. Now let's talk about us. What would happen to humans during this 10-second cosmic pause? Remember that inertia we talked about? Well, it applies to us too. At the equator, the Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour. If the Earth were to suddenly stop, our bodies would continue moving at that speed, flung eastward like rag dolls. We'd become projectiles, smashing into buildings, trees, or anything else in our path. And it's not just us. Everything that's not bolted to the ground would go on its own 1,000-month journey. Cars would become airborne, buildings would crumble, and the very fabric of civilization would be torn apart. Section 6. A world without its shield. But the immediate aftermath is just the beginning. Imagine a world where the very fabric of our existence is torn apart. The sudden halt of Earth's rotation would set off a chain reaction of catastrophic events. The long-term consequences of Earth's sudden stop would be even more dire. The atmosphere would be thrown into chaos, leading to extreme weather patterns and unending storms. Our planet's magnetic field, generated by the Earth's rotation, acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. This invisible force field is crucial for maintaining life on Earth. Without the Earth's spin, this magnetic field would collapse, leaving us exposed to the full brunt of the sun's fury. Solar flares and cosmic rays would penetrate our atmosphere unchecked. The radiation would bombard our planet, disrupting communications, frying electronics, and increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems. Our modern way of life would be severely compromised. Life on Earth as we know it would become extremely difficult, if not impossible. The environment would become hostile, forcing humanity to adapt or perish. The delicate balance that sustains our biosphere would be irrevocably disrupted, leaving behind a very different planet than the one we call home. The lush, vibrant world we once knew would be replaced by a barren, desolate landscape. Section 7. What keeps you up at night? So there you have it. A glimpse into the terrifying, awe-inspiring, and ultimately humbling consequences of something as simple as the Earth stopping its spin for a mere 10 seconds. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on this planet possible. What aspect of this scenario scares you the most? The relentless wind, the devastating tsunamis, the human cost, or the long-term consequences for our planet? It's a question worth pondering, a cosmic thought experiment that highlights the preciousness of our existence. Section 8. Join the cosmic conversation. The universe is full of wonders, mysteries, and yes, even potential dangers. But it's also a source of endless fascination and inspiration. So let's keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep marveling at the cosmos we call home. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What other cosmic, what-if scenarios keep you up at night? Let's dive into the universe's mysteries together.